Guided meditation, Chakra Building. Hello again. I imagine you've heard of chakras, the energy centers that are understood to be in our bodies, and their uses in healing and energy building. They've featured, one way or another, in a few of the meditations in our Hamblin Center meditation program. In this meditation, we'll focus on these chakras from the viewpoint of building energy, working towards sending out that energy as light, as the culmination of the meditation. Sounds okay, eh? So, get yourself ready, either sitting or standing, so that you can get a good earthing connection with the ground or floor. Make sure you're in a warm, comfortable environment so that you can really focus on your chakras. So, close your eyes and focus your attention on your chest area. Breathing in and out, slowly and deeply, but still comfortably. Breathing in and out. Now bring your attention to your heart center, your heart chakra. Breathe into it as you focus on the heart chakra. If you can, visualize a sun-filled green color. See that colour spreading out in your mind's eye as you focus on your heart chakra. Think of family and friends, colleagues, neighbours, people you are aware of, and even people around the world who you've never met. Generate feelings of love. Experience these feelings of love building in your heart. Now focus your attention on all those people, all those beings who would benefit from healing. Feel the energy of healing building in your heart chakra. See the green colour shining forth as the feelings of love and healing and relationships build in your heart. Holding these feelings in your heart for the moment, move your awareness to your base, your coccyx area, which some call your sitting bones, positioned at the base of your spine. If you're sitting, feel the connection of this area with the seat, and also the bond between the soles of your feet and the ground or floor. If you're standing, feel the connection with the ground or floor through the weight of your body. And feel the transfer of this energy to your base or root chakra. Focusing this energy in your base chakra, see the color red in your mind's eye. See this red color surrounding your grounding or earthing of your body. Feel the energy emanating from the earth in a gradual but constant flow. Feel stability. Feel courage as you become aware of the energy increasing. And now we are ready to develop the energy even further. Move from the red of the root chakra to the gold of the sacral area around your belly. Pause for a moment here, drawing up the energy from your base and amplifying the red with the golden color of intimacy, passion, and creativity. Focus for a moment on how your passion, your creativity can benefit this energy which you're creating for all to use. And now, visualize the golden color gradually changing to yellow. As we move the energy, the ever-building energy, up into the solar plexus area, just below your navel. We're entering the chakra area of wisdom, power, and confidence. Feel the power as you add this wisdom, which we all possess, if we encourage the confidence in order to bring it to the surface for the benefit of all. You have that confidence. Bring forth the wisdom which is in your very being. Build it into the yellow energy of the solar plexus chakra area. Bring forth the wisdom. Now mix this red, gold and yellow energy with the green heart energy of love and healing, which we have already built earlier in this meditation. Rekindle this energy and feel it growing further in your heart. Now, the throat chakra is represented by the colour blue. As you would imagine, the throat chakra is the centre for communication and self-expression. Feel the multicoloured energy rising into your throat area. Refocus the energy which you have built up through your chakras. Feel this energy building in your throat chakra as it passes on to the blue-purple of your brow or third eye chakra. Look inward and focus on the third eye area within your head. The pineal gland inside your brain. Perhaps you can feel some exquisite pressure on your third eye area. Feel insight. Feel spiritual awareness. Feel self-knowledge. You know your own capabilities. Apply the confidence of your solar plexus chakra to bring these capabilities to the fore. You can have insights into the way forward. Have faith in these capabilities. You can use this chakra energy for universal good. Think about that for a moment as you build the energy further. Now finally, visualize the crown chakra area above your head. Picture the images you've seen of spiritual beings with halos of light above their heads. Remember pictures of Buddha images with flames rising. Symbols of energy as light passing through the crown chakra above the head. Picture your crown chakra area as bathed in violet light, the light of spirituality, of positive thinking. And in your mind's eye, as the energy builds, Visualize these various colours, the blending of the colours of the rainbow, focusing on the natural prism of your third eye and manifesting as a brilliant white light. And now project this brilliant light forth through your crown chakra into the world as visible energy, loving, healing light. Sending this chakra light out into the world to do good where it's required. A universal light bringer. And when you're ready, focus on your breathing once more and gradually return to the here and now in your own time. I'm Chris Sangster, and I thank you for joining me in this Hamblin Centre meditation and for spending the time together to send love and light out into the world. Blessings and thank you.